here you have a critical step in the origin of life, encapsulation.
So in the samples, he sees these globules that are encrusted and hollow inside, and they're fluorescent, which means they have aromatic rings inside.
I mean, you can tell it's highly concentrated in carbon. There are these little spheres of organic material. And when we look at them in cross-section, we can see they look very much like a cell membrane. Sometimes they have fluid inside of them. Sometimes they have fibers of minerals. And they look for all the world like what we think a basic protocell would be. So here you have a critical step in the origin of life, encapsulation. What really struck me about this one is it looks like it's going through cell division. And if we could link it to quantum information, collapse of a wave function, and maybe even the origin of consciousness, that would be an amazing discovery.
Which is actually a pretty viable idea because it makes more sense about life.
In our view, if you have consciousness by this very simple process, still happening in space-time geometry everywhere, then consciousness is part of the fabric of reality.
This would say that every living thing has some sense of consciousness, a sense of self, a sense of agency. And for me, that just rings true.
And we're part of it. We're part of nature. So I think we're resonating and in tune with the universe.